Oh my god. This can't be happening. This can't be happening. That's it. Screw the gates. Oh, that hurt my leg. No, my journal! I gotta go back down there. My journal's down there. I don't care what Mr. Andrews say. My journal is down there. Again. Ship is sinking. One of the greatest man-made objects on Earth is sinking. Everything's fine. I'm going back up the ladder to get to the top deck. It'll be much faster. Almost there. It's going up on deck. I see. I should get down before I'm nailed down. I gotta run to the stern. Okay. What's going on at the stern, I wonder? Everything looks normal at the stern. Must be the bow sinking. Oh god. I need to walk. I need to ooh, machine. Maybe I can get to the top deck like this. Yeah. Yeah. Two people. I can get their attention. Come on, everyone. What are we doing? Everyone but no men allowed, just women and children only. Oh, come on. It's all coming apart. Alright. Pay for. Oh my god. I could have still been in America. I make the worst life choices. I wonder what happens if I go down here. What do I mean? I've been down here, so I know what's gonna happen. But I'm just gonna check on the lower decks. Maybe something will happen. Yeah. Be a surprise if something happened. it! Run! Ah! Oh, my new shoes. Oh, you! Sorry, Mr. Ernst. Can't talk right now. Never mind. Let's see what's going on. That's another life that's gone. Boom, boom, boom. Oh! The light plate, it's getting low. I think I could crawl through the window and get on. I'll never fit through there. I could try, but what's gonna make a difference? Well, this life was fun. I should start going. Boom, 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 boom. Would you like a cup of tea? We've dressed our best and prepared to go down like gentlemen. Ah, you can't go through here. This is crew members only. Yeah, I can't do that right now. Is this boat gone? This entire row is gone. This bow is going underwater. Check my. Okay, I'm doing good. I need to get to the stern now. For example. I don't care for example. I need to get out of here. Why did you start putting coal in the boilers? We're basically going to die. Shit. To be continued.